Good day, Texas history students. We're going to do another tutorial on how to complete an assignment. Of course, we're going to start on our MySpring ISD page. Of course, we have to have our Gmail open, and then we're going to open our Schoology. Then we're going to go to our Schoology, and we're going to click on our page, our course, and our number right here is going to indicate your class period. And then you're going to look for my name, Miss Moore. And then we're going to wait for it to open. While it opens, you're going to be discussing or working on something, but still paying attention to the chat. And then once it opens, you're going to see your assignment over here on the right side. It's not available yet while I'm doing this, so I'm going to scroll down here and see what I'm going to look at. So we are going to look at the first thing that we have available. So it's going to be the Geography of Texas assignment. So you're going to click on that. And while it opens, it's going to be this link. For this one, you have nothing to submit, but you do have this link here. It says click the link above to read and answer questions about the geography of Texas. At the end of the assignment is a true-false game to test your knowledge and a quiz to help you check your own knowledge. Complete the questions in the assignment part 2. Next, complete the quizzes, and finally the quiz. Those 2 assignments are going to be on Wednesday. Each will be a separate assignment in Schoology. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this, and it's going to show us some fun stuff that we can do, and this is going to help you learn the information. Now, you see that it has this that's going to pop up, and it's going to do that for you also. So you're going to have to go back over here to your MySpring ISD and open the instructional box. And you're going to scroll down here to where it says McGraw-Hill, and you're going to click on it. That is our Texas history book. It'll take a second. And then mine says Texas History Teacher Edition. Yours will say Student Edition. You're going to click on it, make sure it's open. And then we're going to go back over here to where it says Login. I'm going to close it. And then I'm going to go back to my Schoology and click on my link again. Okay. Now, since you see me do this, you're going to have your book open on your screen first so that you won't have that problem. So, you see it says Chapter 2, Natural Texas, and it's going to be on Lesson 1. Okay? So, you're going to read through here, and I'm going to show you a couple of neat features that you're going to be able to use on this chapter, or this lesson in this chapter. So up here, if you click on these different sizes of letters, it will make the font bigger. It doesn't want to do that for me. We'll do it in a minute. But if you read here and you do that, this will read the entire passage to you. All right, so we're not going to read the whole thing. I'm just showing that to you. If you have access to a printer, you can click the printer icon and it will print for you. If you click that, it will highlight anything for you. And if you click on that, it will change the level of reading for you. If you click on these that are already highlighted by the book, it will tell you the definition of those vocabulary words, and then you can close it. And then if you need it, or if you're so inclined and you want to learn Spanish, you can open that box and it will give you the passage in Spanish. Down here, these boxes with numbers are the pages, and that's how you turn the page. There's no forward and backward arrows. So we can go to page 2, and you have the same options available to you there. Okay, and it also has this, you can have the vocabulary all in one place there, or you can have some reading strategies. Okay, so we're going to skip all the way to the end, and this is going to be your assignment part 2 that you're going to need to complete. Once you get to the end, you have this true-false game to test your knowledge of the lesson. You also have a little self-check quiz that you can take. It's a quiz you can take before you get to any other quizzes that you might take in this class, and this is not going to impact your grade, except to help you maybe get a better grade without taking points away from you. Okay? So once you're done with that, you can close that out. That's closing the book, and this is closing the assignment that you just opened. So you don't need to do anything here. You're going to go back to your main page there and scroll back down to your assignments, which it should be on the right side, as we all know. And you see it says Geography of Texas Assignment 2. Now it says click on the link above to open a Google document and complete the assignment. Submit to Schoology when you're finished. So you're going to submit it over here. After you do that, you're going to click on that. It says, do you want to make a copy? Yes, you do. And it will open this up. So it says Geography of Texas, Lesson 1 Review. At the end of Lesson 1, which is what we just looked at, read the questions and type your answers here. When complete, submit this document to Schoology. So we're going to go back over here, and I'm going to show you, we're going to open that. So we can open our textbook again. And then I'm going to go back over here. And you can click on the link to open your interactive assignment and go to the review and have those questions open to look at them. And remember, there are these questions that we just looked at on the review. See, it has an R instead of a number. So you need to answer these questions. So you can type question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on your paper. And then after you're finished, you're going to go back over here and submit it on the Geography of Texas Assignment 2. And you're going to submit the Google document over here, and you'll be finished. And remember also, if you have trouble remembering how to submit an assignment, you have this How-To Guides for Students. It opens it up. And it will show you step by step on that document. If it will open that up for me. How to submit an assignment on the web version. We'll open that document. And it will walk you through how to submit that correctly from your Google Documents on your Google Drive. And there's the steps for you. So it's very simple. You're just reading and answering questions and turning them in, and you'll be finished. And that much smarter. And I hope to see y'all have a good day, and I will see y'all in class. Bye-bye.